Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about getting your tractor ready for fall. In previous issues and previous years we've talked about this. Just a reminder, it's getting to the time where we're freezing at night and it's starting to freeze harder and harder. Make sure that you take your tractors and you check the antifreeze strength in it. Most farms have an antifreeze tester, so make sure that you test that. And then the other thing, while it's nice and warm out still, test your block heater and make sure that your block heater works. Find the cord, plug it in, make sure that you hear that thing start to hiss. It'll just go a long ways in helping you out when it starts to get cold. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.